Throwback to when I was in grade 5 when I asked a disabled girl in a wheelchair if it was fun riding around in a wheelchair all day. Keeps me up at night to this day. It's your girl Limo T. That's what's up. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be back. Hopefully I'm back for like long this time, but it's been a minute, we all know that. And as you guys have read the title already, today I'll be reacting to confessions while eating.
Oh my god! Wow!
Do we really want to call it a mukbang? But anyway, before we start the video, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on so you can be part of the LT squad. And also, do me a favor please and share the video with at least 5 people. Yeah man, let's get into it. Okay, yeah. Before we start, these are not my confessions. I found them on the internet. Okay, so let's begin. So the first one is my mom still cuts my toenails. I'm turning 19 this year. Honestly, I don't see anything wrong because like maybe that's how you bond with your mom, you know? Because with my mom and I, she cleans my ears. She does that to everyone, but then like that's when the juicy tea comes out. Like, Mama, I take you like it's that type of vibe, one ton. But like if that's how you bond with your mom, I honestly don't see anything wrong with that. Or maybe it's because there's nothing wrong though. I mean, it's just bonding, you know. They are bonding and blending. Okay, wait. So the next one says okay, but I got a new one. It's fine. I had a tattoo done without my mom knowing. Now I'm patiently waiting for her to kick me out. That's funny because your girl, this girl, me, I don't want to say accused, nah, but apparently there's a rumor on my dad's side of the family, oh babes, on a tattoo. Guys, imagine I never. Wait till Lankaba stole to the core. I never, and geez. Oh, and apparently it's on my I don't know which one, but like apparently I have like a tattoo. I know, like I can like I get but I don't have a tattoo. Like I'm not. My mom would kill me. Like she'd throw me out of the house. Like, and honestly, if I had a tattoo, I don't think she'd buy me this phone. This new phone that I have. Like, I don't have a tattoo, guys. I'm just saying. Offense, I'm talking to you. Okay. The next one says, I need to stop introducing my friends to each other. They end up becoming better friends and leaving me in the dust. That's what it says. It's not me. Honestly, I mean, you know, if it's meant to be, it'll be. Yeah? Like, for instance, with me, with my best friend now, Tando. She wasn't my friend. I met her through a friend. Abo? And now she's my best friend, and I don't think well, what am I know that other person, nah. Let's call her my friend, abo?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But if I go shop, I mean, you can go and like talk to them, or I don't know, but like honestly, if it's meant to be, it'll be, nah. Like I'm moving right along. Okay. Throwback to when I was in grade 5 when I asked a disabled girl in a wheelchair if it was fun riding around in a wheelchair all day. Keeps me up at night to this day. My guy or my sister or no nakandeng.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah, that's like emotional damage on another level. Like, go hectic. Yeah, that's dark. That's really dark. Very dark right there. That's very dark. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, but you're in grade 5. It's understandable because you were like a little wana. Mara, you should know better. Okay. The next one, ish. You see this phone? This phone. It's gonna be the death of me. Okay. The next one says, I overthink so much when I mention someone in my story. When I take a photo of them and they don't add it to their story, I think they don't want to be associated with me. I went like a cool dog. You're doing too much. You're doing too much, bruh. I don't even think it's like that big of a deal because I mean, it's not even that big of a deal. You just overreacting, I guess. But I don't have a funny, guys. People aren't the same. Okay. I failed my second year. 3 reasons why I shouldn't drop out. Because I'm done with this. Poop. Okay, no, but like, I think don't do that. You know, Ubani used to say, only real OGs used to watch Bani, and he used to say, if you can't do it the first time, you must try and try again. And if you can't do it the second time, don't give up, my friend, because you're gonna do it one day, and then it says something else. But ungapheli umoya, isikoko asipheli umoya. I swear my Zulu is improving. Like, get out of here, man. Okay. Okay. Was at the gym the other day and I was being lazy, so I told my trainer I'm fatigued. And she replied with, I agree, but only the first 3 letters. Ha!
Emotional, damn it!
Yeah! Like, I'd fire you. Like, bro, what? I'm joking. I tell you, okay, if you think I'm fat, do something about it. That's why, you know, duh. Like, that's why I come to the gym. I know I'm fat, bruh. Like, what are you saying? What are you saying, bruh? Ngasuka. Khona mo fella. I'm joking, yo. I'm joking. Mara. Okay, for those of you who don't get it, so fatigued, F-A-T, fat, first 3 letters, fat. Get with the times if you don't understand or if you didn't get it. Okay. From time to time, I'll make a fake Instagram account of myself and then post a screenshot on my main account asking people to report it and that it's not me, just so that I can seem like I'm cool or pretty enough to be impersonated, but in reality, nobody has ever made a fake account using my pictures.
What?
Yo, I wanna lie, Fueti. That's all I can say to you. I wanna lie, like, Korum, to the point of about attention to the point of Korum. Oh, guys, please report this account at mang. It's not me. You see now. Kili jumping. Even kali tseba luna. Badi followers 800. After la post a story gore. Please don't follow this account. This is not me. Somebody's trying to be mean. Now I know what you're doing. Ke go jumping. Me go jongile. Ke go begile. Because ke go bon. Ke se bon sta sa gago. Ke se bon. Yeah. Come. The next one says, I have a genuine fear of not being able to cry at funerals because people will think I'm heartless if I don't. Hi, don't worry, you're not the only one. I don't cry at funerals. Okay, it was just that one time. But that was only because the other people were crying. But I don't cry at funerals because, okay, no, I just can't. I don't think I'm like intact with like my feelings, you know, like I don't think I'm on some. I found out last night that my mom only smoked 3 cigarettes a day while she was pregnant with me. It's too late for me to get angry, but it just explains a whole bunch. Yeah, like ask your parents, guys, because some of you guys, we can see Hori, like I didn't see man, like who pandemic, man. It's a pandemic. So you guys must ask your parents these questions for a moment. Are you sure you didn't have 1 savannah or 2 savannas when you were spat? You must ask. You must ask. Okay, nah. Today I have a task for you guys. Ask your parents if I'm joking. And then battle ungena plap. Wang bosses into snacks. Do it at your own risk. Because me, I know horror. I know the story. Like me, my story, it makes sense. Ya no moena. Kharito horror. Mama khao utlore. Na kya eat. Because what? I asked. I'm an axer, me. I asked. Error intended, guys. The errors are intended. Okay. The last one says, I go to the shooting range with my dad from time to time, and whenever I'm busy shooting, I imagine the head of whoever I'm angry with at the time in the scope. I don't think I'll ever actually kill someone, but it's good therapy. I agree, honestly. Like, do what you need to do, bruh. Cause I swear, if you take all that anger out on an object, when you see the person, it's also just like oh, okay. It doesn't faze you anymore. But guys, don't shoot people. Nah. Like Kiamuta Ori Yena Ana Khan Horo Utlo Tunyamutagero. Lelona Kopali being safe. Amutaku Katisa Oskatala Nyamlanda. No, relax. Take a walk. Count to 5. Count to 20. You guys used to do this in LO. So, please. Don't be pissed. Because, honestly, you're taking yourself back. Nah? Be a bigger person. That's my advice to you for the day. For this video, that's my advice to you. Yo. Yes, you. My problem, I'm getting fed. Okay, I understand you just for like, okay, get to the point. Like, get to the point. Oh, tell my mom's not even here. Try. Let me pick this up. But Anyway, that is the end of the video. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on, check out the new outro, check out the new intro, comment, share the video with your best friend, with your dad's side of the family, your cousins from that side, with, what did I say? With your neighbor, with your cat, with your teacher. Share the video. I'll see you guys again. Bye.